I'm doing my lola's pork and potato picadillo. We'll start doing our onions. Here you go. Cutting our onions. Yung onions naman hindi kailangan pinong-pino. And then our white onions. We'll do our garlic. Good lang, oh. Okay, good lang. See that? We'll put in one more tomato para medyo may konting acidic yung soup natin. Bango. Put our garlic, let's drop it in. There you go. Okay. Good. Let it cook for about a minute. Then we put in our pepper. Good. Tablespoon of salt. Good. A little more. Once our tomatoes cooked, ilalagyan natin yung ground pork natin. There you go. Nice. So we'll cut our potatoes in half. Go. And then see that? Okay. Para pino lang siya. So this soup will be starchy and a little creamy because of the way we sliced our potatoes. Yun. This is about 2 kilos, but we're not using all. Not just enough for the soup. Yun. Yun. Mix it some more. Okay. Good. Just cook our pork. O, naluto na yung pork natin. Ilalagay ko na yung water. Nice. Okay. Let's mix it. Yun. Ito, time ito. I planted this to give a little depth dun sa soup natin. There. Good. Mix it. Good. I'll put a little more salt and pepper. Okay. Go. Good. Then a little more salt. More salt. Go. That much. A little more. Good. Then mix. One more tasting. Wala, bumango na, oh. Wala din may potatoes. You know. Yun. To make it into a soup. Then let it boil about 20-30 minutes and the soup's ready. And here is my Lola's Picadillo soup. Adobong atay ng manok at balon-balunan na binalot sa dahon ng saging. Yun. Unahin natin lutuin yan, no? yung balon-balunan. Pero mas maraming garlic kasi. Pero iba pa rin yung potency ng ng fresh garlic. Ganun lang. Okay, then lalagyan natin dito. Bagsak mo lang doon. Ganun lang. There. Just a little. Not too much. Yun lang kailangan natin na ginger. Bagsak natin dito. Again, to combat the scent coming from the balon-balunan, no? Yun, maraming pepper. Sarap niyan. Tapos lagyan natin ng bay leaves or dahon ng laurel. Yun, and then tapos pakukuluan natin siya. Nice. Toyo, yun. Tapos suka. Kasi nga gusto natin may konting sauce siya. Alright. Lagyan na natin ito. Water rice. Yan. Yan o. See that? May konting dumi. So wash it again. Wash it for 2 or 3 times. Okay, here we go. Ito mo. Bango na ang gagawin sa sili is i-half ko siya para medyo spicy yung adobo rice natin. Yan. Just like that. Split it open. Ganun. Ito lang. And then bagsak ko siya. Dito. 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 Okay. Good. Leave it there. Hanggang sa maluto. Okay. Yun. Okay. So, ito na yung pambalot natin. Ikot natin yung rice natin. Dapat may konti kang twist dito. So, yun yung magsisil sa ilalim. See this? Yan yung magsisil ng whatever na juice or sabaw na meron ka. Dapat may ganyan yan. Otherwise, tutulo yan. Nakagawa ka ng packet dito. It's like a cone. You can put in 2 or 3 scoops. Yan, no? Ganun. Okay. Inside, adobo. Isang bagsak na ganun. Pagkasarap nito. Yun. Baunan mo na isang itlog. Yun, bagsak mo lang siya doon. So, punong-puno siya, oh. Punong-puno, oh. Ganda. Yan ng konting peanuts. Yun. Konting peanuts. Tapos, isasara natin siya. That's it. And here is our ginisang upo. Upo, since makapal yung balat niya, ano? Kutsilyo gamitin natin. Bagaaw! Makapal yung yung variety nito, yung makapal yung balat, oh. Cut it in half. Yun. So, malaki yung seeds. Oh, yeah. It's my first time to use this kind of upo. Dapat hindi siya masyado maliliit. Dapat ganun, medyo malaki siya para hindi siya madudurog. Olive oil. Okay. Latest onions. Buksan natin yung onions. Good. Kamatis. Nice. Yun. Good. Ganda. Put na garlic. There. Good. One more. Yun. And then, lagyan natin yung pork. Yan. Diyan ang marami. Okay. Nice. And then, we'll put in our salt and pepper. Put in pepper. Nice. Good. Put in our salt. And then, lagyan na siya ng konting chili flakes yan. Para may konting konting dating. So, konting luto pa sa pork natin, sa giniling. Doon. We'll put in the shrimps. This will give us a beautiful orange color. Yun. Tapos, pwede natin sabay yung upo natin dito. Let's put in a little water. Para pagpasok ng upo, may konting, para sa steam effect yung sa veggies. Nice. Yan. Okay? So, it's beautiful already. Tayan natin yung upo. Nice. Okay. I'll let the heat and the steam cook the upo for a while. I'll leave it there for about siguro mga 6 to 7 minutes. Check on our upo. Nice. And here is our ginisang upo. First, for the upo, init. Mainit. But ang sarap. So, thank you for joining me right here in Gomato. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag meron tayong bagong video na palabas. It's nice to have you here in Gomato. Okay? So, this in your own kitchen, share with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. I'll see you again. Bye.